TVET. TVET or Technical and Vocational Education Training is an education, training or learning activity which provides knowledge, skills and attitude relevant for employment or self-employment. TVET describes all kinds of formal, non-formal and informal training and learning wherever it occurs, institutes, school, training centers or in the workplace or site of productions. Non-destructive testing. One of the fields under TVET is non-destructive testing. The term non-destructive testing, or NDT, is defined as technology that tests materials or components without destroying, damaging, modifying, or degrading the testing specimen. This is generally required for parts which are to be used after testing, for example, aerospace material components and structure, and also construction under in-service inspection, but even for unique parts of archaeology and culture. There are 5 general methods in NDT, which is the first one is PT or penetrant testing, UT, ultrasonic testing, RT or radiography testing, ET or eddy current testing, and the last one is MT, which is also known as magnetic particle testing. The importance of NDT as a tool is an undisputed fact, due to its ability to detect, locate, and measure defects in specimens. This information would then be used as guidelines in order to evaluate the viability of the part based on specified codes, standards, and specifications. Working as NDT personnel. NDT personnel have a great task and responsibility with respect to their employers or contractors while maintaining the rule of good workmanship. They must be independent and free from economic influences with regards to their test results. Otherwise, the results are compromised. NDT personnel should be aware of the importance of his signature and consequences of incorrect test result for safety, health, and environment.
Hi, my name is Jeffrey Jamil, and I'm from SIRIM, Standards Technology Sdn. And I work as, my position is NDT engineer, and I'm certified as a ultrasonic testing level 2, radiography interpreter, and advanced NDT phase array level 2. We have to deal that a very critical engineering component. So from there we have to decide either the component is accepted according to standard or not. So I can say that this NDT personnel, this NDT job, I can say that is this the professional level, or maybe professional engineer, in order to you to decide the structure that you stay is accepted to the standard and safe to the end user.
Working conditions. Generally, NDT personnel often encounter conditions where the safety of personnel could be in danger due to local conditions, or where application of particular NDT methods or techniques could be in itself compromise the safety of personnel and others in the vicinity. They work in hot, cold, and humid environmental conditions and may be exposed to radiation, toxic, electrical safety, fumes, and hazardous materials which possess potential for injury to personnel. Employment opportunity. NDT in aerospace materials, components, and structure have the opportunity to be employed in aerospace industry. There are 4 focus areas to support the growth of this industry, namely maintenance, repair and overhaul, or MRO, manufacturing, avionics, and system integration training and educations. Employments are available in commercial, military, cargo, and transport aircraft involving local and international players, as well as government agencies related to aerospace industries. Malaysian market. In Malaysia market, the economy outlook for the aerospace industry is very attractive. The aerospace industry has been identified as one of the key business service by the National Key Economic Area or NKEA. Major local aerospace players for NDT are MAS Aerospace Engineering Sdn Bhd or MAE, SME Aerospace Sdn Bhd, Aerot Sdn Bhd, Sepang Aircraft Engineering or SAE, and CTRM Aero Composite Sdn Bhd. International market. The global engineering services industry alone, according to Pemandu, which is an agency under the Prime Minister Department of Malaysia, is forecast to grow to 3 million ringgit Malaysia in 2020. With the aerospace and automotive engineering services sub-segment reaching 1 ringgit Malaysia billions. To achieve the targets, more foreign direct investment to develop Malaysians' capabilities are needed, as well as training centers in the country. Therefore, for the students who furthering their studies or enhancing their skills in additive fields, there are no worries for them not having job opportunities either in Malaysia or internationally.
Okay, my suggestion or maybe recommendation, especially for the TBAC program. Okay, and in my experience, I recommended for all the students, especially in Polytechnic, to participate any program that related to skills or TBAC, and maybe you can take the NDT certification skill, or maybe you can participate welding inspection, or maybe other certification that equivalent to the international level. From there, I think if you participate this program, you will value added to your diploma or maybe to your degree in order to increase your chance to penetrate yourself in the industry.
With this, we can conclude that although the polytechnic education system is trying its best to implement and enhance TVET, especially in additive fields for the technological development in the country, one of the most important features of TVET is its orientation towards the world of work and the emphasis of the curriculum on the acquisition of practical skills. Therefore, all students and lecturers must participate in all activities which promote TVET, such as awareness program and practical training, which can give massive contributions in developing an effective TVET program in Polytechnic.